how I light a scene with one light and a prayer. People think you need 5 lights, 6 stands, and a grip truck to make the scene cinematic. Here's how I do it with 1 light and a prayer. The setup. I've shot entire shorts using 1 LED panel, a cheap bounce, and a practical lamp in the background. I'm not kidding you. That's it. You don't need a lighting warehouse. You need control. The secret? Shadows are greater than lights. With 1 light, you're not filling everything, you're shaping contrast. Keep it close, which equals softer, more flattering light. Angle it, instant drama. Bounce it off a white wall equals natural diffusion. Shadows give your image depth. Learn to love them. Practical tips. Kill overheads. They make everything flat and boring. Move the light, not the camera. Use practicals to layer the frame, cheap string lights, neon lamps. 1 light plus smart placement equals cinematic vibes without emptying your wallet. You don't need $10,000 rigs to light a scene beautifully. You just need to understand how light behaves. 1 light, 1 bounce, 1 prayer. Done. And I'll see you guys in the next one.